So I am a 2024 batch, and my graduation ceremony happened really recently. And looking at the things that people are doing made me realize that maybe I didn't have that bad of a college life. Now, my first 1.5 years of engineering was at home because I am a COVID batch. Regardless, here are a few things that I was able to list down that regret I regret. Number one, not starting early enough. So the first semester we had Java or C, and this sir would come like 15 minutes late. We would get the link 15 minutes late, and then he would join 15 minutes late. So 1 hour ka lecture, he's already 30 minutes late. Then he'll come, he'll take 5 minutes to see if his camera is working, if he's audible, and all of those things. And then he would just send us the link to his YouTube channel and be like, ye kar lo, and that is it. There would be no explanations at all. So you see, my introduction to Java, to C, was so bad that I didn't want to code. I didn't feel like coding. I was not confident at all. During the second year, I think the second half was when I really had to push myself to start coding, and I started with Python, right? But the base had to be either Java or C. And in 11th and 12th also, I had not taken up Java or C. So basically I was a PCMB student. मैंने नीट का एग्जाम भी दिया था. So with biology you usually end up taking IT, and IT very basic होता है, HTML होता है उसमें 11th-12th में. So I had absolutely no clue, and that is the one thing that I regret the most. I regret it even now. Like, I am done with the entire engineering, but I still regret this. That's one. Second is not participating in coding competitions much. I would participate in competitions here and there, but coding wale was very few of them. One, because I was not confident, because I would not start coding, and this led to me not participating much. And even if I would participate, I would be in the ideation aspect, I would be in the design aspect, I would be the one presenting the project. So talking about the difficulties, the solutions, implementation kaise kiya hai, all of those things I would know. Okay, I would know the code, I would understand the code, but I would not be the one coding because I was super stressed. And that is another thing that I regret a lot. Number three, I just realized that this is a lot more about my technical aspect of things, but I would be coming on to the more, friends thing. But number three is, I didn't make projects that had a real impact. Okay, even my major project is so simple. I think like third year students are doing that just for time pass, but no project. I'm trying to recollect. See, we had some good projects, but none of them had a real use case. Actually, कुछ मतलब नहीं था उन projects का. So where is this coming from? I'll tell you this. So I had been a speaker at VJT. I was talking about blockchain and the building blocks of the technology, and I met a few people who were really younger to me, like first year ke bache. I was in third year, final year actually. They were so much more passionate, they were so much more resourceful to those things, which surprised me ki, yeah, this is actually how engineering is supposed to be. This is what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to try and कुछ तो कैसे तो you're supposed to play with the technology and come up with some solutions. But that did not happen in my case at all. Maybe it was not being confident enough. Also, our college environment was not such that would promote creativity in that sense. We just cared about attendance. Mumbai University, guys. But yep, now with AI, I think you get even more better project ideas, and there are a few YouTube channels which really would want you to try new things. I will have them linked here again. Please go ahead and try it out. That is that. Do I regret not spending enough time with my friends, or with going out with them, eating with them, and stuff like that? I don't really know. Initially, this was my biggest fear, that I would not end up making a lot of friends, because I love my home a lot, and my college was like 1.5 hours away from my house. So I would always be in a rush to go home. But now that I am away from them, I realize that it's good. It's good that I am away. I've heard so many things about these, and yeah, you are hanging out with 15 people. You would have like 5 groups. in that one big group. Okay, I mentioned this in the previous video as well. If you are hanging out with people who are making fun of you, but when you try to make fun of them, they get agitated, they feel insulted, you need to stay away from them. If you ever think someone is cool, try to point out their mistakes and see how they behave. Mansplaining वाला part भी इसमें बहुत आता है और ये लड़कियां भी करती हैं. Now, why am I stressing so much on this is because this was the first thing which was like, अरे नहीं फ्रेंड्स के साथ नहीं थे, फ्रेंड्स के साथ नहीं थे, because I really think you do not need friends for your college. It is better that you don't have friends and you like know people than to have a friend who's talking shit about you and who's trying to pull you down. Trust me when I say this. I don't even know how to form words without sounding like I am jealous of these people or that I am just sour because I do not have friends. This is the best advice I can give you. I've been a part of a big group. I have seen the kind of comments that are getting passed. And oh my god, when I tell you, they are not nice. Do not. Not at all. Yeah, that is that. And I think that is all I wanted to share with you guys. Just as candid as I can be. This is a 20-minute long video as is. I do not know how many times I'll have to cut it to make it short. But my 4 years in front of you, like in the realest form possible. Friendships, please remember, not needed. Be kind to your teachers, your professors. अगर तुमको immediately masters के लिए बाहर जाना है, you need them for the letter of recommendation. If not, it's still good to like have connect with at least one teacher. Two बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया. At least one teacher you need to know. Okay, that's it. Bye bye.